Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, LED 8 LEDs, 8 220 ohm resistors. The build: insert the LED into the breadboard with their shorter negative legs in the ground rail at the top of your breadboard. Then connect this rail to ground on the Arduino. Second is connect the LEDs in sequence to Arduino digital pins 2 to 9. Place a 220 ohm resistors between each LED and digital pin, ensuring that the resistors the center divide in the breadboard. Next is this is because the LED will work only with current flowing in one direction from positive to negative. The longer leg of the LED is positive and must connect to positive power connection to the Arduino board controls the sequence of flashes. Dapat connected yung jumper wires sa positive leg ng LEDs papunta sa Arduino board, which means siya ang magbibigay ng power source. LED delicate parts requiring only a small amount of voltage to light up to prevent the LEDs from being overloaded with voltage during burning out. Gagamit tayo ng 220 ohm resistors para makontrol yung voltage na binibigay papunta sa LED at Arduino board para hindi masunog ang LED. Line number 3. For INT I equals to I greater than 10, I plus plus. For line number 3, siya yung nagko-command ng mga nakasaksak sa digital pins ng 10 pababa hanggang 1. At line number 7, siya po yung mag-define ng function ng mga LEDs kapag patay. Void loop, ito yung sequence ng mga LEDs kapag mabubuhay ng loop turn left and right. Line number 19, for INT I is equals to 9, I is greater than 2. Sa line po na to ay sa line number 19 is ang ilaw ay maglulop sa right to left. Sa line 16 at 22 po ay delay ng bawat LED na nag-on and off sa breadboard